crash it probably.
There we go. Where is it? There it is.
I like that. I've been flying jets too long. I need to fly a bit more 3D. Thanks very much, Trev. New cameraman.
What a landing.
So, yeah, so I didn't mean to do that, obviously. I was quite enjoying myself, knife edging and hovering and everything like that, but accidents happen. The interesting thing, that was quite a rough arrival, but there's not a huge amount of damage. To be honest, I'm quite amazed by that. The formers, the shock, because it hit the nose, has travelled through the airframe and dislodged some of the formers, but I think they will just glue back in place. So I'm terrible at doing balsa repairs, but fortunately the man on camera, which is Finn's dad, Trev, is a magician when it comes to creating things out of balsa and fixing things. So I'm just going to give it to Trev and Finn to fix and fly for the future. So these things happen, but we're going to show how quick it will be to repair it and get it back in the air. Right, Trev?
Yep.
Right. Thanks for watching again on Essential RC, and myself and Finn will be back flying more models and flight testing again in the near future. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Cheers, Finn.